In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a partial or full refund on Airbnb. If you need to cancel an Airbnb booking, the most important thing to understand is that your refund depends on the cancellation policy attached to that reservation. Before you cancel anything, take a moment to review the details carefully so you know what to expect. Start by going to Airbnb in your web browser or open the Airbnb app on your phone. Then log into your account. Once you're signed in, go to the trips section. This is where Airbnb keeps your upcoming and past reservations in one place. From there, select the reservation you want to review. Inside the booking details, look for the cancellation policy listed for that stay. This part is important because it tells you whether you may qualify for a full refund, a partial refund, or possibly no refund at all. The exact outcome depends on the host's host policy and the timing of your cancellation, so don't skip this step. After you've reviewed the policy and you're ready to move forward, stay on the reservation details page and open the full reservation information if needed. Then click or tap Cancel Reservation. Airbnb will usually show you a summary before you confirm the cancellation, including the refund amount you can expect to receive. This is your chance to double check the numbers before making the final decision. Read that refund preview carefully. If the amount looks right and you want to proceed, confirm the cancellation. Once that's done, Airbnb will process the cancellation based on the policy shown for your booking. Depending on the reservation, you may receive a full refund, which means the eligible amount is returned to your original payment method. In some cases, you may only receive a partial refund, especially if the cancellation happens closer to check-in. And for some bookings, the policy may indicate that no refund is available. A helpful tip here is to always review the refund amount shown on screen before confirming, because that gives you the clearest picture of what you'll actually get back. If you're unsure, pause at that stage and reread the cancellation terms in the reservation details. That's all it takes to check your eligibility and cancel an Airbnb reservation correctly. By reviewing the policy first and confirming the refund amount before completing the cancellation, you can avoid surprises and make a more informed decision.